It's no secret that in 2020, video revolutionized huge parts of our society. It transformed the way we communicate, meet, and engage in our personal lives and in almost every industry, from schools and universities shifting to virtual learning, businesses introducing new remote working policies, and huge growth in virtual healthcare and the online retail space. The list goes on and on. But thinking about the future, when we are able to engage like we used to, how many of these changes are actually here to stay? And what new developments can we expect going forward? Hey guys, I'm Daniela, Content Manager at Livestorm, and in this video, I'm going to be sharing 5 predictions for the future of video in 2021 and beyond. Starting off simple, my first prediction is that video communication is here to stay. In our recent survey at Livestorm, 68% of American workers claim that their use of video communication tools is expected to stay the same or increase in the next 12 months. And with almost the entire corporate world now accustomed to working remotely, the working world will likely be reshaped for good. We're already seeing how tech giants like Microsoft, Google, Twitter, and many other businesses, big and small, have introduced or really relaxed their remote working policies. In fact, a recent study by Upwork showed that the number of remote workers in the US is expected to nearly double by 2025. As a remote worker myself, I'm sure I'm not alone when I say it's helped me to be more productive, have more flexibility in my schedule, and save loads of time from not commuting. And on the other side, remote work benefits companies who now have access to a huge talent pool from around the globe, making it a lot easier to find top candidates from anywhere, especially in those harder to fill roles like in tech and engineering. My next prediction is a move away from simple video communication software. Now, this might sound weird considering my first prediction, but let me explain. With the pandemic, a lot of us were scrambling to find ways to adapt our physical gatherings to online. And we had to make do with what was available at the time to really navigate this new reality. But now the dust is starting to settle, and it's pretty clear that connecting through video isn't going anywhere. I believe there'll be greater focus on what else traditional video communication platforms have to offer, and how we can overcome new challenges like Zoom fatigue. A video engagement platform is one solution for this, and this is a path we're taking at Livestorm. So instead of simple video communication, it's a platform that focuses on keeping online meetings and events engaging, collaborative, and inclusive. And not as a simple substitute for physical gatherings, but as a new category of its own that is smarter and more intuitive. So all of this sounds great, but what does it mean, and how is a video engagement platform any different? Well, firstly, it gives the traditional virtual stage a little makeover. According to a recent Stanford study, one of the biggest causes of Zoom fatigue is the excessive amounts of close eye contact on video chats, as well as the number and size of faces on the screens. With the interface of a video engagement platform, forget having a sea of faces on your screen and the constant eye contact. Instead, to allow participants and the audience to really connect and engage, there's a set number of people that can be allowed on stage at once. And whoever's presenting can easily be replaced so that there's room for other speakers. And instead of only verbal communication, participants can interact through engagement features like emoji reactions and dedicated spaces to chat, run Q&As, and launch live polls. Secondly, a video engagement platform comes as an all-in-one package. It lets you manage your entire event, from promotion to sending a replay, collecting valuable insights, all in one place and from your browser, so it's safe by design. It also means that your audience members don't need to download anything to tune into your event. And thirdly, it's personalized and adapts to all teams, all industries, and all kinds of events. Event creators can automate tasks and connect with the tools they use every day through integrations and plugins. To put it into perspective, think HubSpot, but for events and meetings. This, my friends, is how a video engagement platform is the next phase of communicating and collaborating online. My third prediction is increased artificial intelligence in video. AI is influencing more and more technologies, and it will definitely affect video engagement software as well. For example, future video tools might use AI to automatically identify faces in meetings, create transcripts of event audio, and maybe even adjust the positions of users' eyes so that it looks like they're looking directly at other attendees during events. AI can also help overcome language barriers through live translations. This would be extremely beneficial for businesses everywhere looking to expand overseas and reach new audiences. And when it comes to marketing, AI can help companies make more informed decisions in their video marketing strategies. For example, it can help brands take their personalized advertising to the next level by using AI and algorithms to learn more about their customers and create video content that is tailored for them. Again, the options are currently wide open for AI and video, and it'll be really interesting to see how more innovative brands decide to incorporate it. My fourth prediction for the future of video is more investment into privacy and security. And with our growing dependence on digital tools, our privacy and data is becoming increasingly vulnerable. And with the rise of deepfakes or synthetic videos created using AI that are manipulated to impersonate and scam people, this puts us at even more risk. Anyone that has an abundance of publicly available video and audio recordings online could easily become a target. I guess I could too. Celebrities and politicians might be the first targets to come to mind, but actually it can affect businesses everywhere. In 2019, business email compromise caused more financial losses for companies compared to any other kind of cyber attack. And a realistic audio impersonation of a company's CEO, for example, can take email phishing to the next level, as these scams can be a lot more convincing compared to a written email. And this is one of the reasons why cybersecurity is becoming more important than ever. And I think there'll be heavy investment into not only expanding the use of new technology to deal and prevent cybercrime, but also heavy investment into people. For example, companies providing their employees with training for better security awareness. My last prediction, the continued rise of immersive video experiences. This is a cool one. So what is that, you're wondering? Well, think augmented, virtual, and mixed reality technologies that enhance the world around you or give you a full immersion experience. So in addition to video games and other entertainment, like these cool new underwater diving tours in Indonesia, immersive experiences are changing the way we work, educate, sell, and market. IKEA's augmented reality app is a perfect example of how immersive video can help in sales and marketing. Their app lets people see in 3D how furniture will look in their home before they buy anything. They can essentially try out different items or even full room sets without ever stepping foot in an IKEA store. Isn't that wild? Immersive experiences are also making huge strides with education and training, giving learners a new way of understanding complex or even abstract concepts by bringing them to life in a way that textbooks never could. It taps into more of the human senses and makes learning a lot more fun and interactive. All right, guys, these are my 5 predictions for the future of video. I hope you're as excited as I am, at least for everything besides the deepfakes. Regardless, it'll really be interesting to see how these growing trends develop. And if you have any of your own predictions that weren't covered, I want to hear it. Go ahead and add it to the comment section below. And if you want to stay tuned to more of my future content, especially useful tips for optimizing your online events, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you really soon. Until then, keep creating, keep engaging, and keep those connections alive. I'll catch you later. Take care.